Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market this time. As you can see, yesterday and 2 days ago it was bearish reversal in the market. Actually, that was one of the scenarios that we have discussed, and we said keep an eye on the 1312 area right here to identify the possible reversal. So if you like to go short, that's the optimal point for that, just because this is daily overbought and completion of the AB equals CD target on the intraday charts. So here you could place very tight stop, and very soon you will understand whether you're correct or not with the minimal loss, minimal potential loss that you could get from this trade. Yesterday, Jerome Powell also intruded in the Bitcoin markets, not only on the financial markets but on the Bitcoin as well, or better to say, he was talking about the Facebook Libra cryptocurrency and said that's no way for Libra right now, and he has spoken about the more regulation, and it's no way for starting Libra, and that has made an impact on the cryptocurrency world, and Bitcoin is not an exception. It was the bearish impact. As a result, you can see market starts dropping. So those of you who have taken short position here now could move stops to the break-even and see what will happen. Also pay attention that here we've got reversal session. Although the shadow, lower shadow is very significant, but still market was able to close below the lows of the previous session. And that causes a reversal because market has formed a new top and closed below the lows of the previous trading session. It means that there is reversal candle, and usually a reversal candle leads to the continuation that we see right now. Still, it's not time to upset for bulls as well, because although we do not have the butterfly immediately with this pattern, we can't exclude a bit different pattern. For example, it could become wider butterfly on the daily chart, and it's still possible if it will change the shape a bit. This also could be the pattern. We could see the overall pattern will be erased only if market will drop below the A point. In this case, we could say yes, indeed, market is coming lower and we should be ready for the drop. But until market stands inside the initial swing, any other patterns are possible. Currently, yes, we are watching for a downward action, but it's not necessary that market will continue directly to this point. It could be a tight and 618 extension. It will depend on the price action on the intraday charts. But at the same time, indeed, taking into consideration recent drop, I do not see really good points for taking the long position right now. No good patterns. Take a look at the hourly chart. That's our hand shoulders. ABCD pattern has worked perfectly, completing the upward action with the butterfly, and market starts dropping. The nearest expectation, I do not see any bullish patterns yet. The nearest support is at 11 even, so 618 support. And take a look, guys, potentially here could be another hand shoulders could be formed. This could become left shoulder, head. Market could start bounce up from here. If Gardner's triple to sell will be formed here, this will be another chance to go short with the A, B, C top, D pattern down. So that's the nearest perspective that market could follow. Simultaneously, these hand shoulders could become as an indicator for us, and if market starts climbing above 12 even area, tending higher back to this top, it could mean that hand shoulders has failed and market is standing higher. So that is the nearest perspective that we have on the Bitcoin market. But today, overall sentiment definitely is bearish. We do not have any bullish patterns. Maybe something very short-term pattern will be formed around 618 support, but guys, this will be scalp trade, and it has small relation to our analysis because we are mostly taking a look at the daily chart. For daily chart, we need some more extended in time patterns and the setups. That's why I'm not coming to patterns that forming on the hourly chart. I don't know, something like here, so minor hand and shoulders, ABCD patterns, dark it is completed, and so on. So this is too small scale. That's why I'm talking about more extended patterns here. So first support is right here. That's the first point where you could think about taking some profit maybe on your bearish trade, something of that sort. Because here upward bounce could be to 12 even. So that's our short-term view on the Bitcoin market.